Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WAG. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open the WAG app on your device. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap to open it. On the welcome screen, look for the login option. Tap on Login to proceed. You will now see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your WAG account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password for recovery options. Once you've filled in your email and password, tap the Login button. Wait a moment as the app processes your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your WAG dashboard. If an error message appears, revisit your email and password entries. Make any necessary corrections and try logging in again. After successfully logging in, explore the app's features. You are now ready to use WAG for all your pet care needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.